I behave like a typical Igbo man. I don't have any northern character in me.
Yeah. I want you to watch this video of Hausa man saying that for over 25 years he has stayed in Igbo land, he has not been paying rent with his family. Igbos are very kind, loving and peaceful people. You know, if you convince me to believe otherwise.
Say it in English, this thing you said.
I behave like a typical Igbo man. I don't have any northern character in me.
Except the language you are speaking.
Except the language.
And the food you are eating.
Yes.
So I don't understand. In your house now, Hausa, okay, your community is a Hausa community.
The area we are, there are not much of Hausas, mostly Igbos.
Your father, are there no communities where there are Hausa people?
There are, but I would say that where we are, I think we are very well welcomed. When they find out that I'm Hausa, that is when they even love me more, because I understand their language as an Hausa man.